Question 10. The scales on both axes of the standard xy coordinate plane below are the same. Of the following values, which one is the best estimate for the slope of the line graphed in the plane? So if you recall, a line that has a slope of 0 is completely horizontal, and any line that kind of goes from, let's say the left part of it is higher than the right part of the line. So any lines like this are negative slope. Any line that kind of starts to move up where it ends at a higher point, those are positive slopes. So these are negative slopes. This is slope of 0, and these are positive slopes. So we can see here that this is definitely a negative slope line. Because of that, we can eliminate answer choices H, J, and K. Now, how do we know whether it's F or G? Well, let's just pay attention to the magnitude here for a second. So the magnitude is just like, what is the value of the number? Not, we're to ignore the sign because we know it's definitely negative because of the slope. So what is the magnitude? Well, I think as a point of reference, we can think of a box here in the second quadrant, and we can use a slope of -1 of a line that, let's say, passes through the origin. So we're going to pay attention just to the magnitude. So we'll pay attention to this one value here. Well, if I have a magnitude that is greater than 1, so let's say 2, 3, 4, or 5, like in option F, that just means the line will stay negative, but it's going to be much steeper, right? So 5 is going to look something, something like that. So we're not looking like that though. We're looking for something looks like this. So it's flatter. So since it's flatter, then the magnitude of that slope would have to be a number that is smaller than 1, which is 1/5. So that's going to be our answer, G.